Hello and welcome. First up on the channel today is going to be a mail call. Hello and welcome. First up today is going to be a mail call. The C-Lab 3 is a kit I've been wanting for a long time. I pre-ordered it from Colts TV, and it started out as one price and went up because of Trump's tariffs. So I have to thank the rich guy in office for not, raising our model prices up. So in the year, I'm going to get into my stash a little bit and start building some things. And the first thing up is going to be a vinyl kit of King Kong. And that's going to be a tribute built to Chris Cortell. Then I have another vinyl kit, thought I'd keep them together, of the Cyclops. And I'm going to build that for Void. Actually, both of these models will be, tribute builds to both people, Void and Chris. Chris Cortell really liked to build his vinyl models. It's what got me started in viewing his channel and things like that. And as we moved along, I learned quite a bit from watching his videos. So I started two other channels. One is Smog Dragon Dreams, and I am going to move all my 3D printed videos and information over to Smog Dragon Dreams, which in mid to late August is going to feature and show the Borg cube from the Next Generation show of Star Trek. And a third channel that I've done, just because some people have asked to see my building of soda pop and beer can craft models, is Soda Craft Models. That is, some other channels that I've started. I want to kind of split them up, not put everything together. So as I do some work, and it may be, a video here and a video there on these channels. But if you want to see the Borg build, you can subscribe to Smog Dragon Dreams. That is going to be a very large, model. It took me months to build or not build, but print the parts for this. So it's going to be a lot of airbrushing, because the parts are in different colors of filament. And so there's going to be some airbrushing on it, and there's going to be lots of building on it. It's going to have full lights. It's going to have sound on it. And that's probably going to be up to a year project just on the Borg cube. And that's what's going to be on the Smog Dragon Dreams channel for until it's done. The other channel, Solar Craft Models. The first model I'm going to be doing up there is the Beaver float plane. Living in Washington State here, an hour, well, probably closer to 3 hours away from the beach. with Seattle up the coast, Alaska up the coast, and Vancouver, BC in Canada, which is the Canadians made this plane originally. Is going to be my first build on the Solar Craft models. It's going to be a float plane. I'm going to hang it on the porch outside my front door, just to have something there that when I walk in the door I can go, yeah, I love that plane. With all that in mind, if viewer counts don't go up, interest in the channels don't show up, you know, my subscribers are low based right now. I have about 23 people that view the channel, even fewer than that making comments. So if interest in the channels don't show up, I will keep one of the channels open, and then basically not do any videos and close up the channels that are not showing interest in. I want to try to keep things positive with saying that, but it takes time to make a video for 23 people. And that's how I view it. So if you don't want to view the channel, you know, I can build without YouTube. I've done it before. I built models long before YouTube came along. I have these channels up for showing what I'm doing and the craft, and I would hope that you know, people out there in the YouTube community would be enjoying seeing some of these. If that's not the case, that's not the case. Anyhow, not to make this a you know, pity party, sad sack type of video. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just merely explaining why there's not a lot of content coming up on the channel, because not a lot of people view it. So I am going to break it up, see if that helps the you know, the interest in see which channel, you know, gains that interest, momentum, and we'll go from there. This is Ron saying, let's keep it all updated, subscribe and view, and keep making models.